Imagine having your own affiliate marketing business in a billion-dollar market, set up and running before bedtime, and on trial. No technical skills required at all. No struggling to figure out how to get traffic. You can even delegate it to your 13-year-old niece. You can be up and running before bed tonight. It costs next to nothing. You can start on trial. Does it sound too good to be true? Well, thanks to a secret, 3-step simple automation blueprint that the top 2% of affiliate marketers are using to dominate the game. It's so easy, one of my students, a 64-year-old grandma with no computer skills, used it to make $461 in one day within her first week. So, whether you're a new or experienced affiliate marketer, a computer geek or novice, you can start pulling in a flood of daily commissions in no time. Hi, my name is Devin Brown. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer and have been helping people like you to generate affiliate commissions since 2008. I have even shared the stage with famous experts like Tony Robbins, Russell Brunson, and Dean Graziosi. While affiliate marketing sounds easy, less than 5% have managed to crack the success code and pocket 7 figures or more affiliate commissions. Sadly, most people end up struggling, frustrated, and unable to get results in a way they thought would be easy. There are a few ingredients you must have if you want to make money online. First, you need the best converting product to sell. While finding the right product is like 4% of the requirement, there are still 96% more things needed if you want to succeed. You need a mentor like me to help you through to success. I'll give you access to the exact system that the best affiliate marketers are using to pocket daily commission. You can set it up in 12 minutes. Honestly, I don't know how long this will be available. Few spaces left, and there is a limit to the number of students I can onboard the program. So jumpstart your affiliate marketing business today and start killing it. I'm always here to help, and I can't tell you all the amazing results I have gotten for ordinary peoples just like you who once struggled. Sign up now to test my blueprint on a trial.